Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I am going to draw and narrate about the character named Monster Smile Cat from Zoonomaly. In the world of Zoonomaly, Monster Smile Cat, also known by Smile Cat, Smile Fox, Monster Fox, Leader Fox, and Tink, holds a significant role as the leader of the zoo. As a character in the game, Monster Smile Cat is central to the storyline, embodying both charm and mystery. With the body of a cat, hands and feet like a dog, and ears of a fox, he was a unique sight to behold. His eyes were deep black, with a small white spot that glinted in the light. His skin displays a blend of white and black patches, with the insides of his ears notably black. Adding to his unique appearance are fox-like ears and a human nose, though notably absent is a tail. Monster Smile Cat was not just any creature in the zoo, he was its leader, watching over everything and everyone with a keen eye. But despite his charming name, there was a darkness that surrounded him. Players who ventured near him sensed his aggression and cruelty, making him a feared figure in Zoonomaly. In terms of personality, although his true nature remains unconfirmed, his behavior towards players in the game Zoonomaly is consistently aggressive, evil, cruel, and malicious. He appears to operate in solitude, fiercely guarding the bloom machine and assuming leadership over all the animals within Zoonomaly. Monster Smile Cat is a hybrid creature with a fox's head, known for its aggressive sprinting ability on all fours. It charges at players swiftly, only pausing momentarily when hit by the bloom-obeying gun before resuming its pursuit after recovering. Despite fan speculation, many ship Monster Smile Cat with Monster Rabbit due to the perceived compatibility between foxes and rabbits. Although their relationship is not canon. As the final animal in the Zoonomaly Zoo. Monster Smile Cat assumes the role of leader among all creatures within its domain.
Feel free to explore my other videos showcasing various characters and techniques, such as color pencils, watercolors, markers, and watercolor pencils. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos. Bye for now.